Chris with Mr. Detail. Our shop is located in Newburgh, Indiana. So I've been in the detailing industry for about 20 years. Started out at a local dealership, just doing cleanups, eventually phased into their actual detail department. Finally decided to go out full-time, start my own shop. Since then we have focused a lot on doing paint correction, ceramic coatings. Within the last year and a half we have added paint protection film, vinyl wraps, and window tint as well, just to diversify our portfolio and try to build a one-stop shop for our customers. What made me want to add PPF to our services is the fact that you can see and feel the product on the vehicle. With other forms of protection, you can't necessarily see it, although it is there. With PPF, you're gaining the impact resistance, whereas with coatings, you're not. What ultimately made me decide to go with FlexiShield over the competitors is a lot of reasons. The clarity and gloss is superior to anything else on the market. The ease of install, the customer service, the fact that it's made in the US of A. I get my product within 2 to 3 days of ordering. Anytime I have an issue, which is rarely, it's addressed very quickly. FlexiShield is the most affordable film on the market, which also translates to the profits that you're able to achieve. If you have less product cost, obviously your margins are going to increase. They make it very easy to become more profitable with their support, and also with a great film that's priced lower than the competition, but exceedingly better. It's just a sexy film. FlexiShield's customer service is above anything I've ever experienced. I can send Aaron a message, I can send Lauren a message, and within 5 to 10 minutes I've got an answer. If I need product, I send Lauren a message on Facebook, she sends me back the total and says it's shipped. It's literally seamless to get anything accomplished, and it happens very, very quickly. It's been very, very easy to work with these guys. I love what they do, I love how accessible they are. They're very helpful, willing to do whatever it takes to get the job done. FlexiShield's booth this year at SEMA is absolutely incredible. From the vehicles they have to the presence that they have here, the booth has been filled with people all week long, interested and excited about learning about the product, becoming installers. The cars are just amazing. Probably some of the coolest cars at the show. You can definitely tell by the amount of people that have stopped by the booth this week that the popularity is growing. People are interested in adding this film to their repertoire. People are just excited about FlexiShield and what they have to offer and what they've brought to the market, which is something nobody else has. Gloss, clarity, ease of install, and customer service. Definitely looking forward to the future of FlexiShield and what they have in store for us with innovations and new technology, new films, new thicknesses, new capabilities, new trainings. If you're watching this, you definitely need to consider reaching out to FlexiShield. Find a sales rep. If you need help, I will direct you in the right direction, but you definitely need to consider adding FlexiShield PPF to your list of services.